Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Raphael. Today's recipe, really simple. I'll show you how to make pasta with watermelon and feta, and it's really simple to make. I also have oregano in here, some lemon juice. Watch till the end to see how simple it is to make it. So welcome to the show, and if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and even like the video if you liked it. And when you subscribe, hit the bell button so that you actually get the notifications whenever I have a new recipe out. Let's go to the ingredients. It's really simple. It can be as many or less ingredients as you like, but the main ones is the feta cheese. And to match with that, it actually goes very well with the watermelon. So I have the watermelon. For the herbs, I'm using oregano. Now you can use thyme, you can use basil, but I think oregano works very well, and I'm using the fresh one. I have salt and pepper and then lemon juice for the dressing. So I'll squeeze the lemon, and also I have olive oil. Now for the olive oil is what I'll use. You can even use just the olive oil without the lemon, but the lemon also brings out the flavor. And the pasta that I'm using, it's actually penne with tricolor, which is three-colored pasta. So when it comes to cooking the pasta, you again check on the time. This one says 11 minutes. So I've already cooked the pasta and it's here. The reason why I actually chose it, it's because it has 3 different colors. I'm making a salad. There's different colors of white, red, the green. So this is perfect, but you can use regular penne, which is one color, or any other round pasta for this salad. I think the only pasta you'd not use, especially in the Barilla range, is the long ones, the spaghetti and the tagliatelle and the like. But any other pasta you can use with this recipe. Now I'll add the rest of the ingredients into the pasta. I'll start with the seasoning. So some pepper, some salt. Remember the feta cheese has salt, so not too much. And you can either dice it or crumble it into the pasta. You should just have the right balance of all the ingredients in the salad. Oregano, I'm going to chop the leaves. Fresh oregano has a nice flavor and go perfectly well with the rest of the ingredients. Sprinkle it on top of the pasta. Now again, color. This is about color. Now the watermelon. Make sure it's fresh. Good thing with the watermelon, you can still eat the seeds. So I'm cutting everything. Again, what I want to do is to cut them into dices, basically squares. So I'll squeeze some lemon juice. So like I said, the lemon juice is optional, but it actually makes a difference in terms of flavor. I'll also add the olive oil. So the olive oil again has some flavor, so it will add the flavor to the salad. So I'm grabbing everything. I love that the watermelon is sweet. It's moist. Feta cheese with its saltiness, perfecto. It's exactly how I wanted it. The nice balance of sweet. The pasta is nice and crunchy, it's al dente. So when it comes to serving, it's best if you can do this, you can serve it when it's cold. It's nicer when it's actually cold from the fridge. But for sure, you can also serve it straight from preparing it. You can also sprinkle fresh one because it's white. Gives a nice contrast in terms of color. There you have it. So that's the pasta salad. Feta, watermelon, with pasta with feta and watermelon. really simple to make. Like you saw, it's just mixing. We're using the Penne tricolor pasta, which is basically three colors in one. There's green, there's normal, and there's red. So when they are making it, they actually used, the green is actually used, spinach is used, and the red tomato is used. So it's not just a coloring, it's actually a normal, natural colors. And as a pasta, it looks nice. So until next time, I'm signing out. I'm Chef Raphael. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not. And if you like the video, thumbs up would be nice. And until next time,